Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Fisher and Paykel dishwasher and you need to do a hard reset on it because it's acting funny, and you might be getting some errors and you just want to do a reset on it to get things working again. I'm going to show you how to do it. So depending on your model, there should be a key button, and if you just press and hold down that key button for 5 seconds, make sure your dishwasher's on already. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and turn your dishwasher off. Now, once you've turned it off, you want to disconnect it from power completely. So either unplug it from the wall, or like here where it's kind of hard to access it because it's installed, you could just go over to the circuit breaker and turn the circuit off. And leave that off for a full minute. And if it doesn't actually work when you do this process, you can do this again and leave it off for a longer period of time. It might take some more time for those circuits to discharge. But anyways, and then once that minute is up, you can restore power to it, turn it on, and your dishwasher will be reset to its factory settings. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.